Welcome back to my channel. For those that it is their first time, please kindly subscribe, and for those that are returning, thank you. In today's video, we will be making fenugreek and rosemary oil. The ingredients that I will be using are fenugreek seeds, of course, my rosemary leaves, olive oil, and biotin oil. You will also need a mason jar. So I started by pouring my fenugreek seeds into the mason jar, and I am going to go ahead and add the rosemary leaves. I actually need to find a more effective way to put all these into the mason jar. But yes, you add your fenugreek seeds, then you go ahead and add your rosemary leaves. After doing that, I am going to add my olive oil followed by my biotin oil. We know that rosemary helps reverse hair damage as well as improving blood flow to the scalp. Fenugreek, on the other hand, helps stimulate hair growth, it reduces shedding, and it helps prevent premature graying of the hair. So for the girlies out there, or for the men that don't want gray hair yet, you should probably look into using fenugreek seeds. So this is what it looks like after I've added both the olive oil and the biotin oil. I'm going to go ahead with the double boiler method, which just means that I let my water boil before adding my mason jar. I let it sit for 10 minutes on low heat. Now guys, make sure your gas is on low heat. This is what it looks like after 10 minutes. Now I'm going to let this mason jar sit in a dark, dry place for 4 days. I let mine sit for 4 days. I wasn't really worried about the smell. This is what it looks like. The smell of the oil was not too bad because of the rosemary leaves. It gave it a very nice smell. I'm going to go ahead and transfer it into my bottle. I usually like some of the rosemary leaves inside the oil, which is why I usually use this funnel to transfer my oil. But for those of you that do not want the leaves inside your oil, you can use something else, a mesh that have tinier holes. Now I'm going to go ahead and show you guys how to apply this. You can actually apply this oil to your scalp every other day depending on how dry your scalp is. Just pay attention to the texture of your hair because you do not want to oversaturate your hair with products. So I'm just going to go in first with my clove butter. For instructions on how to make this butter, please check out my other videos. I walk you step by step on how to make this butter. After massaging the butter into your scalp, you want to go ahead and use the oil. I'm going to add droplets of the oil onto the scalp, then slowly massage it. I like to massage the scalp because it increases blood flow to the scalp, and that in return stimulates hair growth. And that's about it. You just use your butter and you seal the moisture in with the oil. Thank you guys for watching this video. Please feel free to like, share, subscribe, comment, and of course you could reach out to me via email or any of my social media platforms, letting me know what type of videos you would like to see next. Thank you guys. I hope to see you in my next one. Bye bye.